Good morning from CT Squared Ranch. Well, we made it through another storm last night. Moved some things around and realized I've got some squashes coming on here. No zucchinis just yet, but squash is doing good. And people say that mushrooms are a sign of good soil. My basil must be in some really good soil. It's even growing out the bottom. And the potatoes, holy crap. Potatoes have gone crazy. All this rain and stuff. Little dose of fertilizer I gave them. More mushrooms going on inside the collards and the peppers. And we have to replant marigolds very, very soon. Looks like. Mushrooms. I got mushrooms for days. Too bad you can't eat those things, man. I'd be in great shape. For some reason they're loving the lettuce or something, even growing out the bottom. Tomatoes, lots of blooms coming on those. Looking good so far. And then the patty pan, patty pan's not looking so good. But the produce prison actually doing its job by being able to get this tarp over the top of it. Had some little light hail. It probably would have damaged some stuff in there had we let it go. All this is a shade cloth. That's a 70% shade cloth that I use. Went with the 70% shade cloth for the reason is it's got the tighter mesh on it. That way it's going to stop some hail. It's not going to stop all of it. The big stuff comes along. Yeah, while I'm out here, may as well let the girls out. Y'all ready to go do chicken stuff, huh? Ready? All right, come on, girls. All right, girls gonna go do their thing. And before I close it out, I'm gonna walk over here. May get yelled at, I'm not sure. But that tube that's on the fence right there, that is actually a bee feeder that I use during the wintertime. Put pollen replacement inside of it when there's nothing blooming for the honeybees that we have in the hive up front. Well, a Carolina wren has decided she's going to take up residence in there, so we'll keep an eye on her as well. Hope everybody survived the storms. Let's pray for everybody up in Oklahoma and Nebraska. Looks like they had some pretty bad stuff up there. Until next time, y'all take care.